Hi, my name is Dr. Tracie Traver, and I work for Covenant Health, Fort Sanders Women's Specialists. When I was a third-year medical student, I did my first vaginal delivery, and it was the neatest thing I'd ever done or seen. I really liked delivering babies. I also like the idea of continuity of care, taking care of somebody from the time they're young to the time they're old. I've been doing this for over 20 years, so my patients and I are changing, and it's been interesting to see us go from reproductive age to menopause age together. I care a lot for people. I'm very straightforward. Some people love it. Some people find it a little intimidating. I try not to be intimidating. I try to be approachable. I like to ask questions with the annual exam that sometimes brings up topics maybe they hadn't thought about. And so it gives me I feel like I do a good job of taking care of the whole patient, not primary care wise, but more socially. I think in medicine, there's some misconceptions that physicians or providers don't really care about people, and we do, and especially in women's health. I think that we really care about people. We really care about women, not just them, but their family unit too, how they interact with their children, how they interact with their spouses or their significant others. You know, I do more counseling than I ever thought I would do. Talk about things that I never thought I would talk about. So I think that's a misconception about women's health. You know, you just come in and we see you and you leave. Some places may be like that, but I like to spend time with patients, get to know them, and be open to looking at their entire, system, not just the one little thing that they're maybe coming in for. I really like to get to know my patients. We have good conversations. I found that some of my patients like to get to know me too. On the website, there's mention of me being a pilot, and that always brings up an interesting conversation. I haven't flown in years, but I did solo a long time ago. My favorite thing to do at this point is snow ski.